here today without you. Finally, we have to thank for each other. The friendship that we have made here will last a lifetime. And in the same way, we have helped each other too. In some ways, survive the 6 years here. And in other ways, succeed in our endeavors this year at MOPC. I hope we will continue to be here for each other and support each other in the future endeavors. Now, what can we be inspired by today? Personally, I'm inspired by a lot of things. Firstly, God, who is the one I trust for my guidance and inspiration. Secondly, I'm inspired by my friends, especially my good friends, Moses, IK, and Philip. Whenever I get a little down about something that didn't turn out just the way I wanted it to, I remember someone talked his heart, and it gives me the perspective I need. Thank you for that. Congratulations and all the best. I'm also inspired by Mr. James, my all-round teacher, who tells me to brace up when I'm down and cheers me up when I do well. I've learned a lot from you, sir, and I'll forever remember you. Aside from Mr. James, every other teacher I have passed through in this school has done so many great things for me. I also want to appreciate Mr. Adejimo for her support and care, both spiritually and in my day-to-day activities. She has helped me to stay on the right track despite my numerous challenges. Often on graduation day, we look outside for heroes, but I see them right here among us. I have seen in my years at MOTC that we don't have to look far for inspiration, and that we have great potential to make an big contribution to others by being true to our values and committing ourselves to our lofty goals. When you live here today, celebrate what you have accomplished, but look forward with an eye towards to how you be an inspiration for others. I want everyone to know that success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is courage to continue to account. So, the incoming people, I want you all to try to maintain my legacy and improve on it. Congratulations, class of 2011. And see, yes,